Hi, Ken with Technical Prospects, and I'm here to discuss preventative maintenance. We often refer to preventative maintenance as the PM cycle. And the importance of the PM cycle is that we can not only keep the machinery functioning at a much higher level by performing regular PMs, we can also start to diagnose or identify areas of the system that may be starting to age or deteriorate, and we can hopefully be preventative in repairing those so that we don't result in so much downtime. Technical Prospects training courses focus on preventative maintenance. We cover preventative maintenance in all of our classes, and we actually provide both the Siemens fillable PDF as well as the instructions for how to perform the preventative maintenance cycle on each piece of equipment. Each modality is slightly different and machine cycles change, so we have some systems that are biannual PMs, some that are annually performed, as well as some that stretch out over 2 years. So again, the importance of the preventative maintenance cycle relates to the individual systems, and we pride ourselves on being able to provide that information in all of our training courses. If you have any questions regarding preventative maintenance on Siemens equipment, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.